All right, guys, in this assignment, you're going to be reading the article. I'm going to read it for you. And then you're going to answer the questions using Google Classroom. Kernowite, a new mineral found on rock mined in Cornwall. An amazing new type of mineral has been discovered by scientists analyzing a rock mined in Cornwall about 220 years ago. The dark green mineral has been named Kernowite after Kernow, the Cornish language word for Cornwall. A group led by Natural History Museum mineralogist Mike Rumsey made the discovery while studying a rock taken from Wheel Gorlin Mine in St. Day. Mr. Rumsey said, "It's amazing that in 2020 we are adding a new mineral. For centuries, mineralogists believed green crystals to be a variation of another mineral, lurkinite. But Mr. Rumsey said his team found it has different chemical composition. Blue likenite is highly prized by collectors around the world, and a majority of it comes from the Great Wheel Gorlin site." Cornwall has a rich mining history with UNESCO World Heritage status and is known globally for the discovery of minerals. Mr. Rumsey, Principal Curator of Minerals at the National History Museum in London, said, "A lot of these discoveries happened over 100 years ago when the mines were still active. So the discovery of a new mineral from Cornwall, particularly one that is related to the region's most famous mineral, is quite amazing. Considering how many geologists, prospectors, and collectors have scoured the country over the centuries in search of mineral treasure, it's amazing that in 2020 we are adding a new mineral." The new description has now been approved by the International Mineralogical Association, and the new type will be published in the Mineralogical magazine next year. Mr. Rumsey said most likenite comes from the Wheel Gorlin, adding, "The mine was used between around 1790 to 1909, but has been demolished now. There is a housing estate on it, and there is nothing left. It is extinct locality. We can never go back. What we've got is a bit like a time capsule," Mr. Rumsey said. "The fact that this sample was preserved in a museum means that we can do this kind of research because we've never been able to go back to collect anymore." All right, guys, we're going to do the questions now. Kernowite mineral article questions. Number 1, what color is the new mineral found in the article? Number 2, how long ago was the mineral found? Number 3, when was the mine the mineral was found in used by people? And number 4, why can't they go back to the mine and find more minerals? Go ahead and answer those questions using Google Classroom and turn it in. Thank you very much.